Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to compare the display comparison between the Poco F3 versus the OnePlus 8T device. As you can see friends, right now I'm using the OnePlus 8T smartphone. So OnePlus 8T and the Poco F3, they both have one common is that 120Hz display refresh rate. But they both use a different kind of panel technology. So in this video, I'll try to explore all those aspects, which phone has a better advantage in terms of the display quality as well. So make sure to comment below friends, what are your thoughts about this display, and if you want me to compare any other details, make sure to comment below. So first, let's compare the basic hardware specifications between the Poco F3 versus the OnePlus 8T. The Poco F3 has a Super AMOLED 120Hz, OnePlus 8T is Fluid AMOLED 120Hz. So HDR10+, HDR10+, both are having HDR10+ certified. 1300 nits brightness. I think the OnePlus 8T may be 1200, or I'm not sure how much it is, maybe 1100, I think so. So this is a quick comparison between the displays, 6.55, 6.67, same resolution both are using, and same Gorilla Glass 5 protection, as you can see friends clearly. So on the paper, I think both phones are really strong in terms of the hardware specifications. So now let's see what are the software specifications you do have in this kind of phone. The Poco F3 is also called as the Redmi K40 device as well friends. So right now let me try to show you what are the other settings you do have available here. So you do have this kind of option, vibrant color effect. If you want, you can enable that. If you go to advanced, you'll get the screen calibration, vivid, natural, advanced. You can use all these kind of settings. Same thing is available in the Poco F3 as well, all those options, as you can see. So let me try to use the same kind of options if possible. As you can see friends, vivid, natural, advanced. So in the advanced, let me try to use same options, maybe AMOLED wide gamut, enhanced colors. So both I am trying to use the same kind of options here. And in this Poco F3, you do have option of using the HDR enhancement colors as well in the Poco F3. So now let me try to open the MX player and start playing the videos in both the phones. So in case if you want me to do any other video, so make sure to comment below friends. Definitely I'll do my best to cover that kind of video in my channel. So right now I'm playing the same video in both the phones. Let me try to start play the video. So same video I'm trying to play from the beginning, as you can see friends. So both are very good in terms of the playing. So you do get big screen in this Poco F3 device, and in OnePlus 8T small screen, that's another thing you need to know. And small punch hole versus the big punch hole, that is another small difference in case if you're noticed. And both are really good in terms of the high brightness level, so there is nothing much I can see the difference. And the Poco F3 has the video filters where you can change the different colors of the display, how it looks, black and white, all these warm colors as well. Whereas the OnePlus 8T doesn't have those kind of video filters. But overall, both the displays are really great friends in terms of the viewing angles and all the aspects. And let me try to decrease the brightness to 50%. So both are really low in terms of the brightness level, 50%, and slightly better in this Poco F3. And zero brightness, both are really low in terms of the zero brightness level. So this is a quick comparison friends in terms of the display comparison, and for more videos make sure to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. And thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.